Okay, you read that title right. This is an inside-out black and blue cheeseburger. Now, for years I've railed against it that you can't do it, but I watched a video by Chef John of Food Wishes, a guy I like, and he came up with a technique that I never thought of before, and that is basically freezing the blue cheese and then damn near freezing the meat once you portion it into patties. And this did work with the blue cheese. I did try it with cheddar cheese, and that didn't work. The cheddar cheese melted out long before the burgers were done. All right, but enough about that. What you have here in the bowl is approximately 4 ounces of frozen blue cheese crumbles and 1 pound of 80/20 ground beef. Now, basically, you just want to work this as best you can. It will be a little tough. Your hands will get a little cold because the fucking the cheese is frozen. So just work it in, and when you're ready, you want to roll these into 4 5-ounce balls. You should have 20 ounces of shit. So about 4 5-ounce balls, and flatten them out as best you can. Now, because we've been moving them around and shit, they're going to be heated up. And if you put them on now, the cheese would melt out. So you want to pop these back into the freezer till the meat barely starts to solidify, approximately about 30 minutes. Okay, on a piping hot griddle, I would advise using a non-stick griddle for this, or a grill, because it is going to get messy. But on a piping hot griddle, about 500 degrees, you want to lay your patties down, and these are going to cook quick, about 3 minutes aside. And don't forget to season with Lowry's seasoning salt and, of course, freshly ground black pepper. Please don't use the pepper that you get in that tin can in the fucking spice aisle. It was ground 9 years ago. Get yourself a pepper grinder. They're not that expensive. Okay, thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, 3 minutes has passed. It's time to flip. And these are burgers I would not flip unless you absolutely have to. Don't worry, I know they kind of look like they're going to fall apart, but don't worry, that cheese will hold these motherfuckers together. And you see all that cheese? Now you know why I said non-stick. Okay. Thanks to the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers are done. So grab a couple of slices of cheddar jack cheese and allow them to melt. You can put like a dome or a steam tray over them or a steam top over them. Also, make sure you grab a couple of paper towels because you forgot the goddamn grease trap on the griddle, and now you have a mess. Alrighty, these burgers are done. Let's load them up. Got a nicely toasted potato bun here. Gonna put the burger on one bun, nicely mayo one side of the other bun. Grab some pickles, and then a little bit of A1 steak sauce. Drop it on down, and that's it. Inside out black and blue cheeseburgers. Done.